In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Veo 3 for AI filmmaking, a fantastic tool that makes video creation incredibly intuitive and accessible. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker exploring new methods or a seasoned pro looking to streamline your process, Veo 3 offers a range of capabilities that puts powerful video production at your fingertips. To begin, you'll need to open Gemini. If you're new to this platform, Gemini is where all the magic happens in Veo 3. It's the hub from which you'll manage your projects, so be sure you're comfortable navigating its user interface. Once Gemini is open, locate and choose the video mode. This step is crucial because Veo 3 offers multiple modes, and selecting the right one ensures that you can fully utilize the AI's video capabilities. Now that you're in video mode, you'll provide a prompt describing the scene you envision. This feature is one of Veo 3's most compelling aspects, as it translates your creative vision into a video format. Think of this as crafting the text that will serve as the blueprint for your scene. Be as detailed or as minimal as you like. The AI is designed to fill in the gaps if your prompt is on the shorter side, but giving it more details will result in a video that more accurately meets your expectations. Once you've entered your prompt, it's time to set any additional details. These extras can include specifications like the mood, style, or any accentuating features that will refine the output. Tailoring these details can significantly enhance your video, bringing a nuanced touch that resonates with your creative concept. After setting the details, proceed to submit your generation. Then, with a simple click, allow the AI some time to process your creation. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and details, this might take a few moments. Patience here will be rewarded with a video that captures your vision. Upon completion, it's time to review and refine. This is your opportunity to assess whether the video meets your desired outcome. You might notice certain elements that need tweaking, or perhaps aspects you hadn't envisioned that could use a bit of adjustment. Luckily, Veo 3 is flexible and allows for these refinements with ease. Don't hesitate to make multiple revisions until you're completely satisfied with the result. Once your video looks good, you can download it directly to your device. You can also opt to share it immediately with your network or across your social channels. The ease of sharing means your video can be enjoyed by your audience in no time at all. With these steps completed, you've successfully navigated Veo 3 for AI filmmaking. It's a tool that truly empowers the creative process with technology, making innovative filmmaking more accessible than ever before. Enjoy experimenting and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with your next project.